Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 4, that is heat. In chapter 3, you learn that woolen clothes are made from animal fibers. You also know that cotton clothes are made from plant fibers. We wear woolen clothes during winters when it is cold outside. Woolen clothes kept us warm. We prefer to wear light colored cotton clothes when it is hot. This gives us a feeling of coolness, right? You might have wondered why particular type of clothes are suitable for a particular season. In winter, you feel cold inside the house, right? If you come out in the sun, you feel warm. In summer, you feel hot when inside the house. How do we know whether an object is hot or cold? How do we find out how hot or cold object is? In this chapter, we shall try to seek answers to some of these questions. 4.1 Hot and cold. In our day-to-day life, we come across number of objects. Some of them are hot. Hot and cold objects. What you have to do in table 4.1 is you have to tick mark what the object which is hot and what is cold. That is your homework. Some of them are hot and some of them are cold. Tea is hot and ice cream is cold. List out objects you are commonly used. Mark this object hot or cold. One tip box is there. Do not touch objects which are too hot. Be careful while handling candle flame or a stove. Right? Candle flame or stove जो होता है, we have to be careful while holding that. We see that some objects are cold while some are hot. You also know that some objects are hotter than others, while some are colder than others. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म होते हैं किसी के कंपैरिजन से, और कोई बहुत ठंडे होते हैं दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के कंपैरिजन में. We often do it by touching the objects, but in our sense of touch, reliable. Let us find out. Activity is there 4.1. Take 3 large mugs. You can see in the figure. Label as A, B and C. Put cold water in mug A and hot water in mug B. Mix some cold and hot water in mug C. देखो हम लोग ने क्या किया, A में hot water लिया है, in A we have taken cold water, B में hot water और C में mixed water है. Now dip your hand in mug A and right hand in mug B. One hand in A and one hand in B. After keeping the hands in 2 mugs for 2-3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. दोनों हाथ सी में डाल के देखो, एक बार ए और एक बार बी में 2-3 मिनट रखो, उसके बाद दोनों हैंड्स को निकाल के पुट इट इन सी. 4.1 figure. Do both the hands get the same feeling? Buju's confusion shows that we cannot always rely on our sense of touch to decide whether an object is hot or cold. Sometimes it may deceive us. Then, how do we find out how hot an object really is? A reliable measure of the hotness of the object is its temperature. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature, and temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. See, हर बार हम फील करना, टच करके हमें नहीं, सेंस से हम पता नहीं कर सकते कि कितना गर्म है और कितना ठंडा है. समटाइम्स इट्स ओके, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो तो वी कान टच बाय द सेंस, वी कान सेंस दैट. फॉर दैट मेजरिंग वी एंड पर्टिकुलर एग्जैक्ट भी हमें पता नहीं चलेगा. सो फॉर दैट मेजरिंग द हॉटनेस एंड कोल्डनेस, one instrument is there. Its name is device. We have to tell the one device. Its name is thermometer. It's called thermometer. 4.2, measuring temperature. Have you seen a thermometer? कहाँ देखा है thermometer? Doctors use. At home also sometimes it is there. Recall that when you or someone else in your family had fever, किसी को fever आया हो तो with that we check out, right? Fever, the temperature was measured by thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called clinical thermometer. Hold the thermometer in your hand and examine it carefully. थर्मोमीटर को हैंड में लो और उसको एग्जामिन करो, देखो उसमें what is happening. If you do not have a thermometer, request a friend to share it with you. A clinical thermometer looks like one shown in figure 4.2. Thermometer, you see, a clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. कैसा है? लॉन्ग है, थोड़ा आगे से पतला है, नैरो है, और यूनिफॉर्म ग्लास ट्यूब है उस पर. इट हैज़ अ बल्ब एट वन एंड, एक एंड पे एक बल्ब होता है. द बल्ब कंटेन्स मर्क्यूरी. what it is containing is mercury. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. What is there? A small shining thread of mercury can be seen. हम mercury we can see. If you do not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. अगर mercury, if you are not observing, rotate करो उसे. You will also find a scale on the thermometer. The scale we use is the Celsius scale, indicated by degree C. दिस ऊपर जो ज़ीरो होता है उसे हम डिग्री बोलते हैं. डिग्री C यानी सेंटीग्रेड, राइट. अब अ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर रीड्स टेम्परेचर फ्रॉम 35 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड to 42 degree centigrade. What is this? Clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degree centigrade to 42 degree centigrade. This is related to the thermometer. You also read and do the practice of reading at your home. Okay, thank you.